Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed. In today's video, we will be talking about how to resolve error code 4C on Samsung clothes washer. But first, what does error code 4C mean? The error code 4C signals a water supply issue in a Samsung clothes washer. The error code may stem from closed water taps, a bent or clogged water hose, obstructed mesh filters, or insufficient water pressure. The following are some of the common causes of the error code 4C. Closed water taps. If one or both water taps are closed or not completely opened, the washer will not get the required water, causing the error code 4C to activate. Faulty water hoses. With time, the hoses attached to your washer can get twisted, deformed, or clogged, impeding water flow into your machine. Blocked mesh filters. Mesh filters prevent debris from escaping the washing machine and clogging the hoses. If these filters become clogged, the water supply may stop, triggering the 4C error code in your Samsung washer. Now let's look at the best solutions you can apply to fix the error code 4C. Check the water taps. Doing this can help you figure out whether the error is a result of turned off taps. Try the following. Power down your Samsung clothes washer. Then move your washer forward to reach the back wall. Verify that your washer's water taps are completely turned on. If the taps are closed, make sure to open them. Attach your washer to the electrical outlet and initiate a brief cycle to verify if the code is cleared. Inspect the water hoses. If you find out the water taps are not the problem, inspect the water hoses. Do this. Detach your Samsung washer from the power outlet. Then move to the back of your washer to reach the hoses. After that, correct any bent water hoses. Clear any water hoses with a wire if they have dirt or debris buildup. Then change any leaking or damaged water hoses for new ones. Ensure the water hoses are securely and properly attached to the water inlets. Examine the mesh filters. Loosen and remove every mesh filter. The mesh filters can be found at the rear of the washer, close to the connections for the water inlet hose. Then hold the filters under running water to rinse any dirt or debris. If the filters are blocked by hard water deposits, leave them in vinegar for approximately an hour before rinsing thoroughly. Lastly, securely fit the mesh filters back into your washer. Thanks for watching.